Hello crafty friends, Jenny Lynn here with another card making quick tip. When you first purchase a set of dies, on the card that it comes on, you'll notice the beautiful image, and when you turn it over, there are adhesive strips that hold your dies in place. What I like to do is grab some adhesive magnetic sheets. These are very pliable and they're readily available on Amazon. I cut it to the size and I place it on the card directly on top of those adhesive strips. Then when I'm done creating, I can simply place my dies onto the magnetic sheet like this, nice and strong, and they stay nice and organized whether I am putting this card back into the original packaging or using a plastic sleeve such as this. So this quick tip is just another way to help you stay organized so that you can create handmade joy for everyday moments a lot easier. Hello crafty friends, thanks for making it to the end with me. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. So until I see you in the next video, have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.